The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is assumed to be the top model of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 range, and the rumors we have heard so far seem to be confirmed this. The Galaxy S22 Ultra offered a huge upgrade compared to previous Galaxy S Ultra phones by combining the camera array of previous models with the built-in stylus of the Galaxy Note series. The Galaxy S23 Ultra seems like it will be building on this in a few ways, most notably with a main camera somehow stuffed with a rumored 200 megapixels and the traditional yearly chipset update for more performance and power efficiency. There's still a few months to go until the new Samsung Galaxy flagship phones takes to the stage, but below we have collected all the rumors about the Galaxy S23 Ultra so far. To get the basics out of the way first, we know that the Galaxy S Ultra model will return as stated by Samsung boss TM Rowe when talking about the end of the Galaxy Note series. Now the only question is when it will appear. The smart guess would be January or February, the 2 months that Samsung unveiled its new Galaxy S phones each year for the past several years. Since we have already seen a new Samsung model receive certification in Korea, it seems like Samsung's keeping to that timing. It may be sooner than that though, as market sources think Samsung will move its launch date forward a few weeks to mid-January. This would hopefully stop users buying new phones from other brands like Apple or Google, so Samsung's thinking apparently goes. One slightly shaky rumors seems to back this up too, with one Korean mobile carrier supposedly opening its registration for pre-orders in December. As for the cost of this Ultra phone, we'd anticipated it will cost at least $1,200 again as the current S22 Ultra does. We'd be happy to see a price drop though, especially since its closest rival, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, starts a little cheaper at $1,100. Whatever the release price, we should be able to bring the price down a little for you with our Samsung promo codes.